why in the world are we talking about EV? Why are we talking about battery manufacturing? Well, it's because of the investment that's going on in the United States and Canada. Bottom line is, it's coming. It's already here. We need to get prepared for it.
You know, you see it every day on the news and the media, you know, that the world's going EV and it's going even beyond the vehicles.
When you're making batteries, it's precision manufacturing.
It's a different set of skills. It's a different type of manufacturing. We just need a different skill set now that we're into that fourth industrial revolution. The state of Ohio, the governor put out a document, a charge to how are we going to develop the EV workforce for the state of Ohio with all the new battery plants as well as EV manufacturing plants. Brought a group down here that really represents a broad spectrum of the state and the individual communities that exist.
What we're learning about the electric vehicle market is not a lot different than what we're learning from the semiconductor market.
Our goal is to be able to actually have a response for our governor and to be able to take what we've done here, put together an actual plan of how we could implement this in the centers in high schools and colleges across the state. And Amatrol just always is working with industry, finding out what those needs are, making sure that they have partners and understand the needs and the skills, and then we work with them to, you know, how do we upgrade our educational facilities across the state as well to make sure that we're turning out the right skills. And Amatrol's, you know, been doing this with Amatrol for over 30 years, and so they just have the solutions for it.